Okay, this happens to be our 540 cubic inch big block. Makes about 630 horsepower advertised. We get done dyno in this one. We got about 635 horsepower. Again, here at Proformance Unlimited, we custom build engines to order. This happens to have a full forged rotating assembly from Eagle. Starts out with a brand new Gen 6 block from GM. This has a hydraulic roller camshaft in it, Edelbrock heads, Edelbrock intake, and this one happens to have a quick flow carburetor, quick fuel carburetor. And we always run our billet MSD distributors in it. If there's anything we can help you with, 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video. Frank, here you have it. I got about 635 horsepower. I got you all dialed in. Again, Proformance Unlimited, proven horsepower. Again, I'd like to thank you for your engine purchase. Send me some pictures of the car. Peace and God bless. Thank you.